Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can integrate the ChatGPT key for your bots. So let's say if you have five different bots and you want to use the AI in all those bots. So how to connect the ChatGPT key for the same? So simply log in to the BotPenguin account and on the left hand side click on bots and select the bot in which you would like to add the ChatGPT key. Let's say I want to add the ChatGPT on this Instagram bot. I will click on the Instagram bot and I will scroll down, go to third party integration, search for ChatGPT and click on connect. Again I will click on connect and here I will get an option to provide the API key. I can enter the API key here, select the model as per my need and I'll select the knowledge mix. Once I'm done with that, click on connect. Similarly, in case if I want to add the ChatGPT key for this WhatsApp bot, I will go to the WhatsApp bot, scroll down, go to third party integration, search for ChatGPT, click on connect, provide the API key, choose the model, choose the knowledge mix and click on connect. This is the similar way in you have to connect the ChatGPT key for all your bots. In case if you have 5 chatbots for different platform and you want to use the AI in all of them, so this is the way you need to connect your ChatGPT key for all of the chatbots. Alright, this is all about this video. In case if you have any query, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.